Menteri Rangba ka Jelau Konrad ke Sangma menta ka singi ulah yar sya Byrnihat ban bu Mawnongrim ban Pynkiew Kyrdan no ya ketika PHC sya ka CHC ha ka jingyalang ka balalong menta ka singi hamadan BSA Mawnongrim Byrnihat hadien bun senam ka jingang no jong ki pajba nadu ki nong yalam shnong bat khamtam ki pajba ban Pynkiew Kyrdan no ya ka Byrnihat PHC sya ka CHC bat katay ka jing pos niyo bat ka jing ang nuot jong ki pajba kala urlong menta ka singi ka arpo pratarik risau ka Byrnihat PHC kadai ka balaai jing syakri menta la palat saupo hajar ngut ki pajba nong syong shnong bat ka long shisha ka jing e ka bakraw ye ki nong trei ka tenat ka koit ka kya ban penbiang ye ki jing syakri ha ka liang ka koit ka kya ka badon menta tang shipau teli ki jing thia bat ka deiru ka PHC ka baladon kam e ban Pynkiew Kyrdan no sya ka CHC bat lingba ka jing Pynkiew Kyrdan no ya ka tei ka PHC sya ka CHC kan long ka jing mentoy bat ka jing kerku ka bakraw ye ki pajba ba ka tei ka jaka sumar an Pynkiew pan sya ka lai phau jing thia ha ka tei ka singi na lor menteri rangba ka jella la sakhi da ka jing don lang ba sastana sotun MLA ka jirang constituency uba Victor Rani MDC ka jirang constituency uba MB Tongper ADC ke Ribhoy, Dr. P. Karnari DMHO ke Ribhoy District, bat ki wei ki riu rang ba, lem bat ki officer na katanat ka koit ka kya.
Now we already got the sanction. And we have here this Byrnihat to Halibagan road. That also it's already sanctioned. We have the Umtinger. We have other roads which the Building Department have already sanctioned for our constituency. So we should feel proud of our Honorable Chief Minister. We should be grateful for his gift. Kadang kamram kejungi bersungguh ke sarkar. Kamtam you Honorable Chief Minister. Ubalala shisha ban shimkia nak banta jongi. Ban pin cross, ban pin poy ki project. Ibala jangkot chaka South Park Road. Nak banta ka konsensi kejungi kerpang. Kabahati way pat kisnem. Hati way pat ki por ki balala yim yo i. Yaki projects bakin one aka constancy kejungi.
So I see the dedication and a sense of purpose in the way your MLA has worked, and we can all see that it has given the results for the people. Things don't happen just like that. You have to remember, Meghalaya is a small state compared to the rest of the country, but within the state itself, it is very big. We have a large population. We have a large number of constituencies. Every constituency has got different issues. And hence, it is not always possible for government to resolve every single issue of every single constituency, because resources are limited. But in the last 4.5 years, and if you were to minus COVID, that would leave us only with 2.5 years. The amount of dedication and hard work that your MLA and this government has put in, we have seen large changes and development works that have come to Jirang constituency. And when I say that, I'm not saying it's enough. There is miles to go. Lot of projects and works to be done. But I think we are on the right track. I think the process of bringing the change for the people of Jirang and the people of our state has started, and we are moving in the right direction. We are seeing the changes that are taking place in simply the way the departments function today. We have many departments and a lot of resources and funds used to go in, still go in. But we are seeing that even though the amounts may have increased by certain percentage, But the implication of that at the grassroots level is much more compared to the level of investment that is increased.
Por nakaliang janga ko Salman jong kasinjo tiga sunang Byrnihat ya rukat don lang sekretari jong kasinjo ni perpau kejing sokmen ka bakrau do kata-kata ba hadin kejing kpi menti kejungi kejing dawa jungi na we ka por shwe ka por ka baki sarkar ba phero pher ki bla lek no asdin rei kim pat sem la urlong kejing dawa jungi ki pau snam ki bla lek no asdin bat hadu ka ne ka sgi ka ba mentang ki pau kejing songu ka bakrau ka tam yo play nombo no thau jungi bat ka ne ka sgi ya ka ba Chief Minister Budan Burom jungi Shri Konrad ke Sangma ilawan beriu kejat akane ka than jungi akane ka Byrnihat jungi ya ka ban Pynkiew Kyrdan no ya kane ka PSC syaka CFC ban upgrade no ya ka nang ba kalong ka jingmentoi namata jongane ka than hi jungi berakoi amar ba kane ka PSC ka ba ngidon mata kalong ka baduna jingtia baduna ki doctors ki nurse bat ki lat jing sumar ki sibun ki jing duna nrei menta habala Pynkiew pat syaka CFC along ke jing kben ka bakrau nomta jungi hi wei pe wei jongane ka than Byrnihat mar bakane ka PSC beros kata ka kowar hadu si sauspa tam Krishna nrei menta pat isokmen ka bakrau lomba kane ka CFC kabala oblet tumai kanirap sibun nakmta hi jong wei ku wei nong snong ba pha banwan sumar agane ka CFC mar beros kata ni kmi lenti banyalej senong po sagwati rei mata nang nesmat ni kmi lenti ba barokhot kan long bai hang nei nam ta kinong snong wei ku wei denak liang jonga ngam dan sibun gi gei kon ban ai kejing kren ne kor kalong kejing kublai kerpang hamtam yau MLA jungi de da kejing kristem kejungi batu MDC lokal MDC jungi bat kumjo mangi kireng bak senong berkhoi ya ka ban ya pen urlong lang ya kene kejing dawa ban yo ro ya kene ka CLC ka ba tumai ka upgrade mo na ka PSC CLC na hindi kit lihat
Kadang-kadang first time you are from the MLA Palawan ra sibon ka development ha kadang-kadang jirang ko si jongi. Dibalingin nang ko apat na kiway.